In this video, we will be laying out the toolbox ends on sheet metal. You want to start by double checking that your sheet metal is 5 inches wide by 4 inches tall. This is the size of each of our two ends. I'm going to begin by laying out my first reference point, which is 1 5/8 inches from each edge of our part. I'm then going to lay out 2 5/8 inches from the bottom as another reference point. And connect those together. My 1/8 inch chamfer will be laid out next. And then I want to double check my layout with the transparency to make sure that everything lines up.